Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is sponsored by Airsee. They sent me a nail drill. I'm about to unbox it and see how it works. So let's get straight into the video. So this is the EH3 electric nail drill. You guys, it is rechargeable and it has 35,000 max RPM. This rechargeable nail drill from Airsee was sent to me, and as you can see, the box is nicely secured. Whoa! Look how cute it is. I did notice on the official website it comes in different colors. So let me get this out. Look at the goodies that comes with it. It comes with 50 sanding bands and it is 180 grit. It also comes with 6 different bits. Of course, there is the user's guide. Please read before you use the product so you can get a better understanding how this product works. All right, this is very lightweight. They have a little plastic on there. I'm just going to leave that on for now. Yeah, pretty cool. There is a unlock and then a lock symbol. So right now it is lock. You turn it to unlock it. You turn it to lock. It does not come with a box, I see. You will need to make sure you have a box. It does not come with one of these. So we all have a whole bunch of these laying around the house. So you make sure you have your box. And you stick this in there. And then you plug this part up to charge it. Once it's charging, you'll see the indicator letting you know where the charge level is. To power the nail drill on, you want to hold the power on and off button down for 2 seconds. That'll turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, you would hold it down for 2 seconds again. So let's turn it on. And as you can see, it's in a forward position and it's on 23 RPMs. And if I wanted to go higher, I would select it like that. And if I wanted to go lower, I would select it like that. So let's turn it off. And if you're not familiar with and want to get familiar with the different bits, this is an example of all the bits. So I'm going to use the mandrel. So I'm going to unlock it and pull this out. This is always in for a new drill bit. Now I'm going to put it in. Now I'm going to lock it. So now I'm going to put it on. It has a memory in, so whatever you used it last time, that's what it's going to use now. So I am going to accelerate it by pressing this because I want to I want to see how it works. So right now I have it in the forward position and I have it on 30,000 RPMs. And let's see. Wow. As you can see, this works really well. The sound is not too loud. Let me raise it up again. Lowering it. Let's power it off. As you can see, it works really well. This rechargeable nail drill from Airsee is going to be very fun to use. If you want to order this nail drill on the official site, they're offering 10% off for your first order. I'll have all the links in the description. I'll also have the link to Amazon to purchase this in the description. This EH3 electric nail drill from Airsee is cute. It comes in different colors, very lightweight, rechargeable, cordless, and 35,000 RPMs. Pretty cool. Let me know in the comment section if you ever used this drill before. So guys, make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to like this video because you're going to see more videos of this drill being used on clients. The Airsee rechargeable nail drill. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.